There is one thing that unites all political parties in the state of Karnataka. That is dynastic politics and Nepo babies. You know why I'm saying it. Just look at your own chief ministers. Who was Mr. Bommai? What is Mr. Yadurappa's son doing?
No, Shreya,
what about JDS, family run party? So it is all in the family in Karnataka. For the BJP to be calling the Congress names is a bit rich, no?
Shreya, good thing you raised this point. Basuraj Bommai ji was in public life for 25 or 30 years and he was from the Janata Parivar. Then he came to BJP and then he was made chief minister. He was not made chief minister because he was S.R. Bommai's son. He had established his credentials as a minister several times in different parties. And when it comes to, if you're talking about Karnataka BJP chief, when you talk about Yadurappa's son in his name, B.Y. Vijayendra, before he became a legislator, he had worked for the party. He, in fact, he was denied the ticket in 2018, stating that when his father is contesting, his son won't be given a ticket. In 2018, when Yadurappa ji contested the election, B.Y. Vijayendra was denied the ticket by the party high command, stating that father and son will not be given the ticket in the same election. Even though Vijayendra ji was responsible for BJP winning the KR-Pet assembly constituency after many decades, party never gave a ticket till Yadurappa ji retired.
Said Shafiullah, would you want to come in here? The BJP is saying कि हमारे बच्चे नेता, आपके बच्चे नेपो kids, essentially.
ये एक्चुअली जैसे बड़े लोग बोलते हैं, as elders say, point one finger at others and all three fingers will be pointing towards yourself का मैटर है. और ये जो हर पार्टी का आदमी दूसरी पार्टी पे उंगली उठाता है, it is only just for shouting, nothing else. Everybody knows that it is the case of every party. You cannot single out any party or any particular leader for this. All leaders are there in all parties with similar cases. Everywhere progeny is taking over, and most important is whether the person, the junior person who has taken over his father's place, or he has joined the party and taken over some responsibilities, how good they are handling the issues. Now, Mr. Priyank Kharge, I see him handling very good, and the RSS and BJP shouts saying that Priyank Kharge talks on every issue. Why shouldn't he be talking? Because he has the knowledge.
Move out of Karnataka. Because he
has very good knowledge of all the issues.
10th standard or 12th
very
standard
highly educated.
Whereas Andhra Pradesh has got a Harvard or Stanford graduate running the IT ministry. Therefore, they could better convince the investors saying what they can offer. Priyank Kharge is a total failure when it comes to investments. His academic qualifications speak for itself.
No, that is in your view.
Who has the biggest campus in India in Bangalore to have one more campus of theirs here because
as far as
Google did not find merit in how Priyank Kharge would have spoken to them
all the
because he
issues confronting the public.
cannot bring any investment or talk to investors because he's never been in that field.
Mr. Saeed Shafiullah, Mr. Saeed Shafiullah,
listen.
Mr. Saeed Shafiullah, but बात तो है ना?
Yes.
That Mr. Priyank Kharge speaks about everything else except matters that concern his ministry and his constituency. The fact is, you're saying he speaks about issues that are related to the people and the welfare of the people. How is trying to get the RSS ban in the interest of the people or a welfare measure for the people of Karnataka? ये तो headline hunting है ना, sir?
He has very well explained everywhere जब बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट थी यहाँ पे in Karnataka, when BJP government was there, everywhere you can see this communal hatred and communal politics in every place. And now after the Congress has come, all that hatred is not there, and no Hindu-Muslim clashes anywhere. Why he should not be pointing finger towards who have
Congress regime. Stone
created this hatred.
Have been given a free hand. They can attack Hindu festivals the way they want, and they will go scot-free. Because
no, wrong. Don't.
Let's just get this debate back on track. Gentlemen, Mr. Prashant रुक जाइए. Let's get this debate back on track. Please, इधर उधर की घुमा फिरा के बातें नहीं करते हैं. संजीव